Hey guys, my name is Brian. Welcome back to another episode of Firebird Fridays. Today, we're going to remove the trim around the door frame here on our 67 Firebird. So stick to it and I'll show you how not to do it. Guys, this trim here is pinched on. It's kind of like a U shape or horseshoe type shape all the way around. And it's pinched onto the body. Now, I've seen guys take screwdrivers and get it underneath the lip here and then hammer it out. Don't do that, guys. Instead, go get a paint stick and use that to pop it off. Let me show you how to do that. All right, guys, hopefully the camera's gonna pick this up, but if you take your finger, you can kind of feel the edge of this chrome piece, and there's a little lip right there, just a slight little lip. And all you're gonna do is take this stick and kind of get it right there. Once it's on there, then you're gonna take your hammer, we're gonna knock this out. Okay, so I'm gonna start down here in this corner and take this piece off here. Actually, let's see if we can't take this corner piece off. So, take our stick. Let's see who that is. That was Luis, Pontiac Luis, who I have in my book. He has a YouTube channel as well. There'll be a link down below to Luis's Firebird channel. So, stick under the lip. Just kind of feel it. Rubber mallet. See, start to pop up right there. And then come on this other side. Get it in that groove. Get it in there. You might need to bam, there she is. Okay, that one's off. Now, we're gonna close this door. Same thing with this, we're gonna just start at one end. Start right here at the top. You can watch it just start to come up. Off she comes. See, looking good. Now this back piece here, that's a long one. So let me get you guys in there. And again, we're just going to start at one end and kind of work our way down. Find the groove. This might be easier this way. Well, shit, broke my paint stick. All right, had to get me some more paint sticks. However, they just have these big, long-ass ones. But I'm gonna watch this. I'm just gonna find the lip underneath here and just tap it. See, it's starting to come off right here. See, it's kind of hard to see with a stick this big. All right, so I went and just cut a little piece down. See if that will help us out a little more. it is. Okay. For the most part, she's still in pretty good shape. So you can kind of see that U channel, I hope. But that's how easy that is to take it off. Now we've exposed that. We have more of that beautiful vinyl top. Next, there is a inner trim piece here. And let's get in there and we'll take that off real quick. All right, guys, so this chrome inner strip here, they're just Phillips head screws every so often that just kind of take you up and along the way until you get to that very last one. So let's get the camera back on the tripod and we'll take the wheels out. Oh yeah, here's another look at the moonroof, the sunlight roof. You can tell these are in good shape. It's just the skin. Probably should have had this on when I first started, but you know. If I told you I meant to do that, would you believe me? Comment down below. There we go. Now the trick on all this, back down here. There you go, we got it out. Okay guys, now that is all the chrome off the door. And, you know, while we're in here, let's pull off that vinyl. Now that we have all that trim off, we can come in here and pull this vinyl. There we go. That is the last of the vinyl. Okay guys, we have finished up removing all the chrome trim around both windows. Our next step is going to be start cutting in to this top. Now, if you can see here, we have a new top, we have two new cell panes and a back filler piece. And this is going to lead us into a really cool set of videos coming probably around the beginning of summer. But I have two friends that I have made on YouTube through this whole Pontiac adventure I've been on. Jonathan through Vinyl Village Garage, and Louis through Louis Leon's Firebird page, his first gen page, or channel I should say. Those guys are actually going to come to Arizona and enjoy some of my beautiful springtime weather. And we're going to literally take the roof off, show you guys how to do it, and then weld in and fabricate back the roof panels and everything else we need to take out all the rest on the 6.7 Firebird. So if it's something you've been doing, thinking about on your Firebird or your Camaro first gen, well, stick around because the three of us are gonna come together to make an awesome set of videos on how to do it step by step. So with that, guys, we will see you next Friday. I have another video. We're going to get more in depth about what's going to happen and take place. So make sure you're here next Friday for that video. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And I thank you so much. Give me a like, give me a comment down below. And we will see you next Friday for another episode of Firebird Fridays.